Yeah, peeps, welcome back to the Wise Child channel. One more time. Yeah, today, peeps, I'll be doing steamed fish. So right now I got 3 pounds of fish. So 2 parrots. This is one, nice. Another parrot, nice. And 2 snappers. Basically work out to 3 pounds, peeps. Yeah, so I'm going to be prepping this now with my seasoning. So I have some fish seasoning, this little black pepper, a little salt, and a little secret seasoning, peeps. So basically what you need still is a salty black pepper. Or if you want to use any all-purpose and all of that still, but I have a little secret seasoning in this still. Alright, peeps? One day I'm making you know what it is. Yeah, peeps, so I also got my vegetable all cubed. So I got carrots into this, pumpkin, Irish, and some chocho. And also carrot, peeps. See that? Pretty. Yeah, peeps, and I've also prepared my seasoning. You know, I got my scotch bonnet pepper, my tomato, my green onions down there, onion, garlic, my thyme. Yeah, peeps. And I have a few okra also cut up in this, peeps. Yeah, peeps, so what I'm going to be doing now, to give in the fish, season the fish. With the salt here, the black pepper, and my secret seasoning, peeps. So, just like that, peeps. I'll season up, but peeps, watch the bones, them. Those sticky bones. Fish bones stick here. Pretty at all. Yeah, peeps, just like that. Yeah, peeps, just like that. Yeah, peeps, so basically season the fish with the salt and the black pepper. And my secret ingredient for seasoning, for taste. Yeah, peeps, so what I'll be doing now, you see when I'm adding these to the pots, I'm going to put in the vegetable first and kind of steam a little down, then I'll put in the fish on top of them, and then my seasoning to finalize, peeps. So check it out. Yeah, peeps, just like that. So peeps, stay tuned, okay? We'll be right back. Yeah, peeps. So you can see, I've already put in my vegetable in some water. That will steam down a little. Cook down a little now, peeps. Now I'll be adding my fishes in here now. On top of this. Nice. Yeah, peeps, just like that. So that look, peeps, pretty. Yeah, man. Steamed fish, you know? The veg. Yeah, peeps, once again, please remember to subscribe to Wise Choice channel. Share, leave a comment, give a like, peeps. I greatly appreciate it, peeps. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps, I was going to put my seasoning over this now. Oh, got that, peeps. Nice. Peeps, I want to smell this. Wow, I tell you. Wow. Oh, peeps. Telling you. Nice. Okay, I turn up on the Scotch bonnet pepper, you know, peeps, because it's a fish now. Eating fish. She need to be spicy, peeps. Yeah, peeps, just like that. And I'll also be adding just a few grains of some pimento seeds here. Yeah, man, authentic Jamaican cooking. Certain type of foods. Pimento is a must, peeps. Look at that, peeps. Pretty. Yeah, peeps, I'm just going to cover this down now. And make it steam down and cook right down. Alright. If you dry out too much, I can add a little more water. Yeah, but this is it, peeps. So when it's finished, I'll make it so it look. Alright, peeps? Listen. Yeah, peeps. Wow, look at that, peeps. Yeah, man. Simmering down nice, you know, my peeps. So how we do it. You see that? Wow. The peeps, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add in some bammies. I'm going to steam some bammy. Yeah, peeps, I just going to cover this now, but this bammies get to steam. And when it's totally finished, make you see what's happening. Alright, peeps? Yeah, man, Yaad man style, steam fish, steam bammy. Yeah, my people, see it there? All finished now. Steam fish, all steamed down with my steam bammy. Well nice, peeps, well nice. Yeah, man. So I'll be doing a plating, so you'll see it, peeps. But this is how Mr. Wise Choice do it. Like, share and subscribe, peeps. Tell your friends and family about Wise Choice channel. Authentic Jamaican cooking. Alright, peeps? Nice. And some of you guys that love some of this right now, you know. Nice. Yeah, man. So, peeps, let's check it out when I do the plating. Alright, peeps? Yeah, man. Blessed love. Yeah, my peeps, here it is, all finished. Look at that, peeps. Yeah, man, lovely. Wow. Yeah, peeps, so that's the finished product. Steamed fish, steamed Bammy, with some vegetable, pumpkin, Irish carrot, some chocha, peeps. Yeah, peeps, that's how we do it on the Wise Choice channel, and that's how Mr. Wise Choice do it. Once again, thanks for watching. Greatly appreciate the viewers. Yeah, man. Just keep on checking out the channels, and remember, subscribe, share, leave a comment and like for the videos, peeps. Share with the friends and family, peeps. Alright? Look at that. Nice. Until the next time, peeps. Take care.